What's up, BK Squad? It's your girl, Chris.
Your boy, B.
And we are back with another banging mukbang. We have another seafood, of course, because it's our favorite. I probably really should have got a fork this time. We have some snow crab leg. Unfortunately, they were sold out of the king crab. We have lobster tail, corn, potato, sausage, shrimp, and a rude little daughter throwing water at me. Stop. Anyways, so guys, we're gonna jump right in. I'm actually about to go grab a fork for the two of us.
Fork?
Yes, because it's gonna be hot. I'm not playing. All right, y'all, I'm back. Got these forks. I don't know if he want one, but I want one.
Let's dig in.
So let's grab all these onions, garlic. And I don't eat onions on the regular, y'all. This is the only way I really eat the onions. Look at this shrimp, y'all. There we go. But yeah, y'all see this shrimp? Y'all see the steam too? It just came out the pot.
First shot.
So yeah, if y'all watched my other channel, I just did a vlog preparing to make this and talking mess about Jordan Woods, Khloe Kardashian, all of them.
Daddy!
So check that one out if you haven't. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Bomb.
Bomb. I'm ready to eat it. I'm scared to eat it.
It's about to rain. It's like, Did I speak? Well, I did kind of speak on that.
Oh my goodness. That was good. Look at my lobster right here.
I wasn't in the
room.
room, so I can't really speak on it, but I kind of get why you'd be upset, but
You understand why who would be upset?
Khloe. But I don't know. At the end of the day, like, it is what it is. From what I heard, it was over a kiss. If it's over a kiss, I wouldn't trip that hard over a kiss.
She's still been basically like a regular, typical dumb female and pointing all the anger on the man. But, I mean, I'm sorry, all the anger on the female. I'm pretty much letting him slide. And she can say, oh, it's because we dealt with it privately, so we don't have to do it publicly. I feel like that's crap. Because he embarrassed you. He embarrassed you very publicly. Y'all gotta stop making excuses for these men, y'all.
And at the same point, if that's the case, why not deal with Jordan privately too?
Yeah. Yeah. Because y'all went straight to social media bashing her. And she never was on social media. This is so good, y'all.
Man.
No!
That shrimp is hidden. I remember the new place to get your shrimp.
Yeah. They don't always have it though.
Oh, okay.
My daughter eating too, y'all, but
She is. Got that one glove on like MJ.
you want them to see your bowl?
Don't talk about me. I know I'm bougie eating this corn with a fork.
He crazy. I wonder if Jada was believing her as they were sitting there talking. Because some parts, it kind of seemed like Jada wasn't even believing her. I tried to believe her. I really did, but part of me don't believe her.
I don't know. I felt like you did until you heard old boy into his morning. What he had to
Well, no, I kind of did towards the end of it. But like I told you, even as I watched it, certain parts seemed like like she was lying. Just like her facial expression when she would say it, it just didn't seem believable to me. My potato.
Like, yeah, I believe she did some stuff that probably wasn't called for her. Probably had her legs on them and stuff like that.
Inappropriate. I don't know. I just feel like, you know, it's kind of crazy. Just because of the family. Just because of the family's relationships. You know, they grew up. Well, she grew up in a family too closely for that.
I suppose like he met them through dismiss, but I don't really see like them hanging with any of the Kardashians. So
No, because it's the kids, you know. It was Jordan and
like I don't see Kylie like kicking it with Jaden or.
Not that much, of course, but yeah. But not that much. When they was younger, more. But now, not as much. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We need some crab. That's what I do now. I'm about to eat some crab.
Oh my goodness. And the Spice kicked me. For all the Laker fans out there, it look like the Lakers might not be making the playoffs. It's rough out there.
You gotta see me doing that. I know I'm bougie. Oh yeah, so I was saying, I was listening to Solange's album, and to compare the two sisters, I guess he want to talk with me, y'all. Every time I say something, he want to get loud. But if you say between Solange and Beyonce, Solange is a vibe, and Beyonce is more of a mood. Anybody, stop. Anybody out there that understand what I mean by that, you know, big ups to you. But then also I was saying that Solange is more of an artist. And stop, what are you doing? My daughter, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna crop that out or not, but my yeah, Solange is more of an artist and Beyonce is an entertainer.
But you're not saying that like trying to take shots. Like.
No, because Beyonce, top to bottom, is a performer, you know. But I'm just saying she's not as artistic as Solange. I feel like music is a art for Solange.
Okay. Oh, you would prefer to go see Solange than Beyonce?
See, that's the whole thing. It depends if you're looking for a mood or if you're looking for a vibe.
Well, I'm saying you in general, like.
I really don't know.
Like me, there's some people I'd rather go see, some people I wouldn't. Like.
I don't know. I think it really depends because Beyonce, you know you gonna go and get a good show. You gonna turn up. You gonna be singing every song. No chances of falling asleep. But then Solange, if you go, it's more like laid back. It's feel good type of thing. So I feel like it just depends on what I'm going for. It's starting to rain.
Like me, I seen it was a John Legend perform. Right.
You have?
I have.
Y'all see this? My husband. Stop, baby.
Not like a whole like.
I don't care. You was at a concert without me. Get down.
Not like a whole like thing. Well, I mean, I've been like to up and smoke and stuff like that. Like. Like John Legend, as a person, I wouldn't pay to like go see John Legend perform by herself. You got to be like with Kanye and everybody else when you go see him perform.
Kanye. I don't even know if I would want to go see a show that's mixed with the two of those people.
No,
They're just two different vibes.
know what I'm saying? Like most times, like you go to, you got lucky, huh?
Cause last time, all mine was breaking on me. I had to take my time with this one.
But no, like most things have like an
Stop.
opening act. So like you could go see, you might go see Lil Mo perform, and Queen Naja might be the opening act.
Yeah, but I would rather see Queen Naja.
But,
Lil Mo could open for Queen.
but no, I'm just saying though. But you could go see like. Before you could probably go see the Migos perform and then Cardi B be the opening act.
Get down. I don't know.
It just depends on how the two
forgot
match.
what we talking about.
I was talking about who would you rather go
Oh,
see?
you talking about Beyonce? We was on Beyonce and Solange. That's what it was.
Yeah, like I could see you going to a Beyonce concert and Solange could be the opening act.
That's different.
But would you be like late
Bro, stop, baby.
because you know you Beyonce who you went to see, or would you be like,
I would want to.
all right, come on, come on.
My bad. Video cut off. I don't know why. It just cut off. But I don't know. I'm over that topic. Let's talk about something else. I don't know. What you want to talk about?
What's something we always wanted to talk about?
It is always something we want to talk about. We just never remember when we get on camera.
That's true. That's his right here.
Yeah, it's mine. But
Who's the rest of my trash?
yours.
But I'm trying to think. Like, oh, we talked about the last night, how you had that.
What?
You caught that. She didn't have it from the beginning.
It's my lucky day, y'all.
But we didn't watch the series actually from the start. But she did pick
Oh,
that
yeah.
was T-Pain.
If you guys watch The Masked Singer, you know what we're talking about. Bria, stop, baby. Please, before I send you to your room. But yeah, if you watch The Masked Singer, you know what we're talking about. I called it the monster was T-Pain. Nobody else thought it, but I knew it. If you don't believe me, go look at my Twitter. I posted it before they said it.
Well, I was right about the B though.
Everybody was
But I
right
think
about the beat.
everybody's right about the B.
But You was also right about Rumor Willis,
Yeah.
LaToya Jackson. We was right about Joy.
And they tried to fake us out.
Well, that could have been a fake story.
I was wrong about the peacock. Because I just knew that was Neil Patrick Harris,
Who was it?
Donnie Osmond.
Leia.
But all in all, I think it's a pretty good show. Never truthfully would I expected Gladys Knight to be on that show.
Yeah, she too much of a legend. But I understand why she did it. She wanted to introduce herself to a new generation of people.
Oh.
Come on.
But
No.
No, I understand too why she did it, but it's just that surprised me. Like I wouldn't expect Patti LaBelle to be on there.
she'll be there next season.
She might be.
Trying to copy Gladys.
Gladys said she taught her everything she knows, so try this out. One person I would like to see on there, Kiki Wyatt.
I think everybody would catch her. And if they didn't, they stupid. Because
You
I
think
know
so?
I would. I know I would catch her as soon as she opened her mouth. That girl can sing. She can sing her butt off. It's a lot of people out here that could really, really sing that did not make it in the industry. And I feel like it was just God blocking them from something because there's no other reason some of these artists out here have not made it.
Who else? Yeah, I see her Masked Singer, Ray J. Give it a shot, Ray J.
Yeah. But I don't know. It'll be interesting to see who will be on there next because this is just gonna bring awareness to a lot of other people, and it's gonna be more and more people coming out trying to do it. So it's gonna be interesting to see who it could be. Honestly, y'all, I just want to eat. I don't even want to talk to y'all. I'm gonna let him do all the talking.
Yeah, I've been waiting on this stuff.
I'm gonna just respond to what he said, but he can do all the talking today, cause normally I do all the talking, and I want to eat. He be grubbing. I don't know why she got this Michael Jackson glove on right now.
Because she's bad.
Let's talk about music.
Let's talk about music.
Yeah, let's talk about music. Like who you would love to hear some good music from this year? Any genre.
Let me see. Good music from.
Brio, stop it before you hit your head again.
Ooh. I would love to hear some new music from Erykah Badu. Only because I can't tell you the last time I heard some music from Erykah Badu. But I love her music. To me, she's a vastly underrated artist.
I don't feel like she's underrated.
No?
I feel like people give her the respect she deserves. It's just she's not out here really doing nothing musically right now.
Maybe that's true.
Like right now, if she went on Instagram and said she was dropping the album, the whole world would lose it.
You think so?
Yep. I sure do.
I'd like to hear some new music from SZA to prove that it wasn't just a
One hit, one album thing.
yeah.
Well, me, I fully know it wasn't. Because unlike a lot of other people in the world, I listened to SZA way before she became popular. I listened to S, Z, and A. For y'all that don't know what that is, because y'all not real fans, those are all 3 of her EPs that she dropped prior to dropping her first album. I feel like she's an amazing...
That's my fault.
Yeah, Daddy like to sit around while Mommy doing the work and then bam. But yeah, I feel like SZA's an amazing artist. I feel like even when she dropped her official album, it was nothing like the music she did on her EPs. Hold on, y'all. I didn't even show y'all, but my lobster. Bomb. That's bomb, y'all. I want to show y'all, but it's gonna drip.
Who else? I like to hear music from Schoolboy Q.
That'll be nice. Made me feel like a thug again. I like to hear something from Jill Scott, man.
Yeah.
I love Jill Scott. Love Jill Scott.
Trying to think, who else do I like? New music from I would say Kendrick, but
I think I should stop it
probably so.
and make him a bottle.
Is that what?
Make him a bottle with the milk in the freezer. After this pump later. My bad, guys. I had to switch it up on y'all. My sweater got wet. I'm trying to make my son his bottle. Look at this. Freaking Kiki.
Oh, yeah, she did that.
We're gonna try to finish this video up, but we're running out of space on the camera, so if it cut out, I'm sorry. I'll try to fix it. But I don't even know what the last thing was we was talking about.
I think it was cool with you and the music from him, but we about ran through that.
I'm really hoping they call us today.
I really do. Crack that lobster tail open, y'all. You see that?
No, please, I'll worry about doing funny and stuff you shouldn't. Yeah, he's not good on camera. Bye. You got a little bit of water right there.
Here. Put it down.
This is the meaty type of shrimp, y'all. Real meaty.